Your finance team is reviewing a spreadsheet together. You're at row 1535. Your participant is still at the header. On a screen share, blurry numbers. One person scrolling, everyone else lost. There's a better way. InstantOptic renders your spreadsheet natively, every number crisp, every cell readable, and with follow mode, your participant jumps to exactly where you are. One click. Just open InstantOptic and enter your name. Upload the Excel file. Session created instantly. Both users in session. Different positions. Host is at row 1535. Participant is still at the header. And look at those numbers. Every figure sharp and readable. No video compression. No blur. These are live browser renders. Different positions, same session. Participant clicks follow host. Watch what happens. They jump straight to row 1535. No scrolling, no searching. Instant. Try it free at instantoptic.com.